Hello guys, so please don't forget the basics of any parts of mathematics, not only trigonometry or geometry. That's the problem with advanced mathematics, not the problem with the actual field itself, but with students or majority of the students, because as you move on in math or advance your knowledge and skills in math with broad knowledge and having to understand new concepts and new things, you kind of forget the basics, and when you encounter such questions like this, you get kind of confused, like my friend did with this question right here. He did not know how to solve this during his school olympiad question or college olympiad question, for which the syllabus was up to 10th grade. And he found, and he was like, he said to me, how do you even solve this? Well, I told him, don't be stupid, just learn the basics. But I knew that he knows the basics, so I just told him, remember the basics, and he just slapped his forehead and he remembered. So let's see how you actually do this, and it just needs some 8th grade what you first learned about the Pythagorean theorem or the Pythagoras theorem. So you have a right triangle and you have an angle theta. So the side opposite to this angle is known as the perpendicular, and the side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse, and the remaining side is the base. And what we first learned is that the sine angle is equals to the perpendicular by hypotenuse cos A, or sorry, theta is equals to base by hypotenuse, then theta is equals to perpendicular by base. And from here we can get our cosec theta, which is just 1 by sine theta, or hypotenuse by perpendicular, sec theta, which is 1 by cos theta, hypotenuse by base, or cot theta, 1 by tan theta, which is base by perpendicular. These are the 6 trigonometric functions, the basic ones that we learned from 8th grade, or I learned from 8th grade, I think, but I think students now are learning it quicker or in earlier grades. So we have a sine angle right here. So sine A equals to 1 by 2. If you let P be H be perpendicular base and hypotenuse, you don't really have to, then you can compare it with this. Sine A is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now from these three equations, we have that P by H is equals to 1 by 2. And now we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. Theta P be H, and the most basic of all, H square is equals to P square plus B square. So we'll have to use that logic right here, because to find cot A, well, here cot A is simply base by perpendicular, and we kind of have our relation for this perpendicular right here, and we need to find our base. So we have P is equals to H by 2. So simply put that right here. H square is equals to H square by 4 plus B square, and from here you'll get that B square is equals to 4H square, H square minus H square by 4, which is 3 by 4H square, and if you square root both sides, base will be equals to, I'll just write it directly, square root of 3 by 2H. Square root of 3 by 2H. And from here also, we need that H is equals to 2P. So finally, what we have is square root of 3 by 2 into 2P, because hypotenuse is twice perpendicular, so base is equals to square root of 3P. And put that here, square root of 3P by P, P cancels, Therefore, cot A is equals to square root of 3. So, not that basic, not that even this is like advanced for even 8th graders, but you should be able to do it when you know the basics and you're up to this level right here. So cot A is equals to square root of 3. So when it comes to trigonometry, don't forget the PBH, don't forget the relation, Pythagorean theorem, and just remember algebra. That too, the basic ones. And from here, you can get the answer of whatever question you have. And if you learn something new, please like and subscribe. Thank you.